Then we have this installation video in the previous section. And after that, let's talk about this debugging in the second step. How to adjust the debugging. The main one. This is the focal length. This distance to the surface of this workpiece. Oh, is this the focal length? This is a fixed one. We go through this. First, find a stainless steel sheet. Or iron sheets are fine. Then we adjust this up and down. The height of the lift table. You can see it. The size and variation of firepower. Then the most orthogonal time. That's when the sparks fly. Certainly, we can't use this glue to weld. Normally, it usually takes a little glue away. Then depending on the material, the size of its release glue, how much is it different? Take copper, for example. We might have to stay away. Stainless steel, we just let it go a little bit without sparks. That's it. This is the adjustment of this focal length. What about after the filter is adjusted? As second step. Then adjust the clarity of this display screen. Clarity. Then we have level 3 here. The 3 sections represent 1. It's his clarity and ambiguity. Did you see? The top one here is clear and blurry. The bottom one, it's going to zoom in and out. The second one is this adjustment. It's light and dark. We must first come in order. The first step must be to adjust the focus. Find the sweet spot. Then adjust the screen again. Let him match the two. After the adjustment, we have this. There are a few small screws on it. We're going to lock it. Prevent it from running in the box. What about after we adjust the focus? Our third step. It's the red light that adjusts this solder joint. Hey, coincidence with this crosshair. Then we pass these 3 snails. Silk. Generally speaking, when we came out of the wrench, lock this up. The yellow one will lock it tightly. It's locked. You can't adjust it. It can't be adjusted like this. It means we need to release it first. Put the inner circle here. Release this golden one. Release to adjust that. You can see this one below. Is it to control him up and down? So this is controlling him, this left and right. Hey, this is a 2-axis linkage. Walk diagonally. And we put it right into the center here. Oh, after being transferred to the center, we give him these 3 golden ones. Lock the inner ring for him. Prevent him from running next time. Sometimes, maybe there will be some reflections in it. After we harmonize it, we put this metal button. Turn it off. Then this crosshair shall prevail. That's it. It's okay if you don't need this red dot. Now you see the overlap, right? This is our whole machine. This debugging. Someone else asked this. What is this tribute for? This is in ours. I built in trachea. Can you add some oxygen? Or air? Then it depends on the material, just to use it or not. For example, what about our welding glasses? We're welding some oxidizing gas. We can add some oxygen then. We have a built-in air valve. So what about after you get angry? Hold this foot strap switch. It will vent. It won't vent until you flip it on and off. Generally speaking, many people do not use it. Then you can break it to the back. Just use it like this.